Hand wash. Hand washing your bags is as simple as it sounds. Fill your sink with warm, soapy water. For this step, you can use common dish soap or laundry detergent. Next, let your bag soak in the soap and water solution, wiping seams and hems clear of debris. Rinse, wipe, and set it aside to dry. And you're good to go! Be sure to rotate your bags each time you go to the store to prevent contamination. We suggest having 3 or more in your rotation. Don't worry, they're easy to store. For proper cleaning of your specific bag, remember to refer to the sewn-in care instructions tag sewn into the inside. If you are unable to locate the tag, visit earthwisebags.com for care instructions. Choose to reuse with Earthwise.